show you how to use shorts to get your 4,000 watch hour fast. See, YouTube is currently pushing short video now, and if you structure your shorts very well and upload it with the method and strategies I'm about to show you in this video, your short can go viral and people will leave your short and rush to watching your long form video. Now, let me warn you that this strategy is hot and it is very technical. You need to stay to the end and watch this video step by step, because if you skip any part in this video, this might not work for you.
Now, let's dive into it.
To use shorts to get your 4,000 watch hour, you need to structure and optimize your shorts very well. Now, I'm right here in my CapCut, and this is my short video I want to use. Now, before you can upload your short, you need to make sure that your aspect ratio, make sure that the aspect ratio is 9:16. As you can see, you set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and then you need to export the video. You can see, export the video 1080p. That's the good export. You need to export the video 1080p. Then let me click on export. So the video is exporting now. Now the video is done exporting, and the next thing is to optimize your video file. A lot of people don't even know that you need to optimize your short video file for the algorithm to push your shorts to the right audience. So the next thing is to, let me go to my file to optimize to, I will rename this short to the title of this video. So this is the short video, and I'll just long press on it and I'll rename the video. As you can see, I'll rename the video. So get 4,000 watch hour. This will make the algorithm to understand this video and push it to the right audience. You understand? A lot of people don't know that they are supposed to optimize their short video file. So I click on done. So as you can see that the name has been changed. Now, let's talk about how to use short to get 4,000 watch hour. As you know, short do not give watch hour. But what if I tell you that short can actually be the fastest way to get those 4,000 watch hour if you use it the right way? Stay with me on this video and I will show you the strategy you can use to take people from 20-second short straight into watching up to 5 of your long form videos. Now, let's get into it. First, you need to understand this clearly. Shorts are good for attention, but watch hour come from your long videos. So if you are posting shorts without a plan to send people to your long form videos, you are just getting views without growth. You need to start seeing shorts as a bridge from short content to long form content. Every short you post should have a one goal: to push people to a related long form video. If your long video is about how to grow on YouTube, your short should be things like, this is why your YouTube is not growing. Now listen carefully. Inside that short, you don't explain everything. You create tension. You give value, but you don't complete it. You leave a gap, because the moment you explain everything, nobody will click your long form video. So your structure should always be like this. The first one is hook. The second one, give a strong statement or a problem. Third one, give a little value. Number 4, open a loop. Then redirect them to your long video. For example, watch this video for better understanding of how to upload your short the right way. Listen to this video and you will understand what I mean by structuring your short video to get more views on your long form video and to get your 4,000 watch hour. Look at what I'm saying here. The right way. People will leave your shorts and go straight to the long form and keep watching videos. Now, there is a simple strategy you need to include in your shorts if you want this to work for you. I explained the full details in the video under this short. So if you want to know the strategy, click on this video right now and watch it before you upload your next short. One viral short. So can you see? This is the video that we linked. Can you see? And you can also link the video under the comment section, so people who go to the comment section can just click the link on the video and it will take them to your long form video. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want more tips like this, and watch the next video on your screen. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how to upload your short in real time, and I will make my next video on that.